Wow, who would have thought that you can get paid to be a language police or be a grammar Nazi? I know that sounds weird, but that's actually what we've been doing for the past 18 months. Yup, we're getting paid an average of $2 each grammar mistake or spelling mistake we can spot. And this tiny $2 payment adds up quickly. Imagine finding 10 errors in one document. That's worth $20 in total. Now I know $20 doesn't sound like that much, but what if I told you you can work on a minimum of 10 documents within 1 hour? Let's do some math. One document with 10 errors equals $20. 5 documents with 50 errors equals $100. 10 documents with 100 errors equals $200. That's an earning potential of $200 an hour. Take a look at this. Just last month alone, we generated $2,940.11 with this just as a side hustle. All by fixing other people's grammar. Here's the best part. We don't have to do any of the work ourselves. After all, we're not even native English speakers. So fixing grammar or proofreading anything is out of the question for us. We developed the ultimate app that does all the work for us. Yup, everything. It works within minutes. Here's how it works. Click number 1. Find errors. We use our AI-powered software to automatically spot any grammar or spelling errors. Click number 2. Get paid. We submit the corrected documents and we can get paid directly to our bank account. Doesn't matter where we are in the world. It takes just 3 to 5 minutes, start to finish. And once you're done, we get payments like this. Hi, my name's Arthur, and I'm happy to introduce you to Paying Bee, the world's first system that pays you to spot grammar and spelling errors. Every time we use the app, we get payments like these. The thing you need to start getting a plethora of payments is included into our system. Nothing else is required. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee.
Alright everyone, Andrews here, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can find more work or more clients to pay you to fix their content using our software. Okay, so the way I do it is, here is how it works. Okay, if your website have bad grammar and bad spelling, Google doesn't like that, and Google will punish you by pushing your page down the results pages, which means you have less traffic and obviously less revenue. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna help website owner or business owner to increase their traffic and their ranking by fixing their grammar. Okay, some of you will say that's very easy thing, anyone can do it. Yes, that's true, but it's also time consuming. Try to proofread like 100 blog posts. Okay, it will take you ages, and compared to how much you're gonna get paid, it's not worth it. But if you have a website, if you have a software like what we do, it suddenly becomes very, very profitable because you can finish 100 article or 100 blog posts in just a couple minutes. Okay, literally it will take you 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes maximum to proofread 100 article. And if you charge just $3 per article, that is $300 for 2 minutes or 5 minutes worth of work. Okay, so that's how it works. So what I would do is, first thing, go to google.com and try to find something like a niche. So for example, I can search for, let's see, intermittent fasting, not me, fasting, weight loss. Okay, so I just search for something that I like to read about. That's just personal preferences. Since we are using software, you can search for anything from making money online to forex to losing weight, even, I don't know, physics, whatever it is, you can do it because you have a software. Okay, but I just like to work with stuff that I enjoy reading about, and recently I've been into some health stuff, so I like reading on intermittent fasting, keto diet, and all of this stuff. Okay, so anyway, all of these websites on the first page are obviously doing very, very good. Like this one is just in the #1 results in Google, so they don't need our help. It's a very established website, healthline.com, a very popular website, and yeah, they don't need us. They have 2 results in the first page. I think scroll down, we can find even a third one. But anyway, all of this website like bbc.com or bbc.com, Everyday Health, Harvard, they are all very, very big websites. So what we're trying to do is keep going down. I like to go to the 5th page or something, and now we start to see some of the smaller website. Okay, we can even go to the 7th page, I mean. Okay, and try to, okay, let's check this one. Okay, scroll down, simple.life, next. Okay, obviously we want to stay away from any edu, webmd, indeed.com out of this website. Let's check this one. What we're trying to do is find blogs, so intermittent fasting plus blogs. Okay, and let's go to the 5th page and try and find some small grace easier. Okay, that works. Let's see. Okay, let's check this website. Okay, so this one, Jama's Network, doesn't look like a business website. I don't know, I think it's medical website, something like that. So nope. Next, Eureka Alerts, news release, multimedia, like news website. No. This one looks like a blog by someone, so let's go to the home page. Okay, and they are selling bottled water, I don't know, but they have a blog. Okay, so they can benefit from our service by increasing their traffic and therefore increasing their revenue. Okay, so what I would do is put this in in Excel sheet as a potential customer, go to their blogs and start copying and pasting all of this article into our software and see how many errors they have. The more the better. Okay, so that's one. Let's see, intermittent fasting, calorie restriction, weight loss insights from recent data. Let's go to the home page. Okay, again, we're trying to stay away from any big firm or any big website. So proofing science, squad, courses, no. I think it can be a potential client, but not my type. Let's see, primary pure, looks like some health brand. Yeah, Shopify store. Yeah, that's again potential clients. They have a blog, which is nice. I would note it down as a potential client. Go to their articles, copy and paste into our website, find what error we can find. Same here. Emily, my 2-week fasting experiment. Okay, copy paste, add to our Excel sheet. Okay, and yeah, see how many errors they have. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can keep doing it for the rest of the pages. Maybe try other stuff like maybe intermittent fasting, I don't know, facts. Okay, and keep going to the pages right here, open up the blogs and start approaching all of them. Okay, so for example, in this one, let's see if they have a contact us pages. Yeah, partner brands, blog recipe, find a store, product, shop online. Okay, contact, yeah, they have a contact. Here is the email. You can call them if they want, but I don't like to get on the phone, so I use email. Let's see, this one, contact us. Okay, you can send them an email right here. Again, here, let's scroll down. Career, from the program terms. Okay. Maybe they don't have a contact us page, but they have a Facebook page. You can send them a message on Facebook, which actually works better. Okay. In Emily's case, let's see if she have a contact us. If not, she have Facebook, and again that works a bit better than sending through an email. Okay, so what I would do is maybe gather 20-50 websites like that, and yeah, start sending them emails, and the page is very simple actually. So what I do is just tell them the facts. Okay, I don't need to do any hard selling because my service is selling itself and my service is very affordable. So what I would say is, hey, I just checked your website. You have some errors here and there and here and there, and maybe send him a screenshot of some of the errors. And yeah, if you want, I can fix all of them for you. I charge maybe $3 per article, $5 per article, and you can charge up to $20 per article, and I can do it in just 24 hours. Okay, you will be surprised how many people will reply to you, because usually proofreading is one of the tedious jobs someone can do. Okay, I wouldn't do it manually if you're gonna pay me like even $100 per article. It's very tedious, it's very boring. Okay, so no one wanna do it for this prices. But when you come and do it for like $3 per article, like $10 per article, something like that, they will pay you. Okay, especially if you can finish it in 24 hours. Okay, so just once they reply, send them a PayPal link, something like that. Start fixing their article using our software. You're gonna find the training inside the software, and yeah, that's it. That's basically it. It's very simple. Just go to Google. Here is a recap. Just go to Google, search for something that you're interested in, or even not, doesn't matter. Go to the 6, 7, 8 pages in Google. Go to these blogs, send them a message, tell them, hey, your website rank in the 8th page of Google for this keyword. I can fix your article for you, and that will push your article up further, meaning more traffic and more revenue for you. If you're interested, just let me know. That's it. Okay, you do this once a week and you will have your entire month filled with clients. Okay, thank you for watching, and just let me know if you need anything. I'll be more than happy to help you out.